Follow me into the heart of the all-electric Ford Explorer. Its battery. This powerhouse has all the capacity to get any expedition underway. All-electric exploring just got real. Every great adventure needs a great soundtrack. And this next-generation soundbar brings a beautiful audio experience to every journey. Staying connected on the move is easy with this, the 15-inch Sync Move tilting touchscreen. It mirrors my favorite apps. It helps me plan my adventures. And it's smart enough to know exactly where I need to charge along the way. So let's go. This is the new all-electric Ford Explorer. This is exploring reinvented. Wow.
So, Lexi, what do you think of our new Ford Explorer?
This was great. It's made for adventure, and I love that it's all electric. So I cannot wait to take it back on the road.
And we can't wait to see you start your adventure. So, Lexi, thank you very much for helping us reveal our new all-electric Ford Explorer.
Well, thank you.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Made the German built and best Ford Explorer EV. It will only be sold in Europe alongside the Mach-E. They are similarly sized, which is unusual to the Mach-E as a more performance focus. The Explorer EV is based on the Volkswagen Group MEB platform, shared with cars like their ID4, Q4, e-tron and many other. But Ford fit a unique interior and exterior. Guys, under the skin is where it gets more German. Unfortunately, the tiles are slim for now, but the best model will start with 168 horsepower and one motor for around 218 miles of range. There should also be a 228 horsepower model with a 77 kWh battery for 330 miles of range, and then a dual motor all-wheel drive model at 335 horsepower and 305 miles of range. Even inside, it looks more like a premium Mach-E than any other Volkswagen Group product. Here we have a massive 14.6-inch Infotainment Screen along with a digital cluster and heaps of ambient lighting. There also is a massive storage space in the center console. The tech is also abundant with a message sheet, safety system and more. Ford is building another smaller EV based on the MEB platform later on. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 Ford Explorer EV? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.